Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shilpa and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this easy wedding guest makeup look. Keep watching. Let's start off with skin prep. This is the hyaluronic acid serum by Love Earth. This serum provides hydration to the skin and makes it a lot softer. Always apply the skincare products to your neck as well. Next, I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Gel for hydrating the under eye area. For moisturizer, I'm using the Plum Saffron and Kumkumadi Oil Glow Bright Moisturizer. This is my current favorite. It is a very lightweight moisturizer with a pleasant smell of saffron, not too harsh, and it gives a subtle glowy appearance to the skin. For hydrating the lips, I'm using the Dr. Pawpaw Lip Balm. It is an amazing product, love it. To cover the blemishes and the slight pigmentation under my eyes, I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. This blends very easily. I am using a small concealer brush here to blend the concealer, focusing mostly under my eyes. This shade of concealer also helps me to cover any acne spots and the slightest bit of darkness around my mouth. While blending the concealer, keep in mind not to drag the product with the brush or your blender, only dab it. Now moving on to foundation, this is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation with SPF 15 in the shade NC37. I am dotting the foundation all over my face and blending it with a foundation brush. With foundations, always start with small amounts as a little goes a long way. You can always add more if you need more coverage. This one by MAC gives a natural matte finish with medium to full buildable coverage. Also, don't forget to go over your ears and neck with whatever is left on the brush. To brighten the under eyes, I am using a lighter shade of concealer. This is the K-Beauty Liquid HD Concealer in the shade 100Y Light. Just going to dot this under the eyes and blend using a small concealer brush. For setting everything in place, I am applying the Daily Life Forever 52 Wet n Dry Compact Powder in the shade Warm Ivory using a pizza puff from PAC. The shape of the pizza puff makes it very convenient to set the under eyes, especially in the inner corners. I am also pressing the powder into my laugh lines and lightly dusting it all over my face and neck. Starting off with the eye makeup with the same Wet n Wild concealer as a base on the eyelids. The concealer helps to cover the pigmentation on my eyes, especially in the inner corners. So while blending the concealer, I am focusing more on the inner corners and blending whatever is left on the brush towards the outer areas. My favorite product for the eyebrows is the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder in 01 Black Grey. This is a very pigmented product and a little goes a long way. I feel it's the easiest way to fill your brows. I'm outlining my brows and then filling in the gaps with an angular brush using the darker shade. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Huda Beauty Brown Obsessions palette in Chocolate. This is a compact, travel-friendly palette and has very wearable matte and shimmer shades. Before applying the eyeshadow, make sure there are no creases on the eyelids. Using a fluffy brush, I am going in with a lighter brown shade all over my eyelids. After that, I am applying a darker shade of brown. To blend the two shades together, I am using a smaller fluffy brush. Keep blending until there are no harsh edges for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to apply this beautiful shimmer shade. Such shades always give maximum pigmentation when applied with fingers. So I'm applying this shade with my finger directly and as you can see, it instantly clamps up the eye look. For eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I love this eyeliner pen. It makes your life so easy. It is very pigmented, doesn't dry out and glides so smoothly over the eyelids. Today, I'm using the No. 7 Powder Blusher in Damson Mist. Blush placement can really affect the way your face looks. In this look, I'm aiming for a fuller, rounder and softer look. So I'm applying the blush, focusing more on the apples of my cheek. After curling my lashes, I'm using the High Impact Mascara by Clinique and giving my lashes a nice and full coat of mascara. Next up is the Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Brown. I feel that the brown shade gives a much softer finish to the eye look when compared to black. It is so difficult to apply this sitting in front of the camera. I'm gonna finish this off camera. Once that's done, it would be a good idea to tightline your upper lashes using a black kajal. I'm using the I Swear by Kohl Kajal by Plum in deep black. This gives your lashes a much fuller look. To tie the entire eye look together, I'm applying the same dark brown shade from the Huda Beauty palette beneath my lower lashes and a bit of that shimmer shade on the inner corners. After removing the lip balm, I am using the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Burgundy 09 to line my lips. I'm also lightly filling the lip using the same. This in itself is a beautiful shade to wear, but I'm going to top it off with a sugar liquid lipstick in the shade Drop Dead Red. Just applying a tiny bit and smudging it with a finger. This gives the lip a pop of red and makes the entire look more brighter and festive. Lastly, I'm using the Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss in the shade Petal. It is a beautiful pinkish shade of lip gloss with a bit of shimmer in it. Perfect for any festive makeup look. That's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do consider subscribing and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and be happy.